This is awful much. Give me a second. I'm gonna go back down there.
Yeah, I guess so. It may be that I didn't get close to the microphone enough, but
We were standing over here. couldn't
Okay.
hear you. Of course, we were in front of you. But
right. Yeah, I don't know.
I'm gonna hand you to Josh, okay? And the mic is live. You'll listen to Nathan. He's gonna tell you how to turn that up.
Hey, Nathan.
wait just a minute. We're working on something.
Okay. Sure. Mm-hmm. There's a channel button and a group button, and then there's a minus 10 dB, but it's kind of like a flat screen, like a little flat box. Okay, it's there's no like button or anything along those lines. Now the power button is off, so if I hit turn it on, let me see if that'll change it. Okay, it's showing A3, just keeps going A3 on the digital part. And now it's not showing anything. You may try speaking in the mic. Test. I don't know. I hear that pretty good.
It works.
Yeah, Ronnie says it sounds good.
I think so, at least.
Yeah.
I think
All right. Yep, it still does. Yep. So I've twisted it back, and I'll put it back in the holder, and then I'll hit the button to hit it. Great.
I don't know what you said. No, that's just.
Okay, great. Excellent. Thank you.
Is that good?
That's good. FYI, this is a hot mic. So just FYI. So I guess this is Deanna's.
Probably.
You want to take?
Well, I'm just waiting for somebody to tell me when to start the video.
I think we're about ready. Let me get the mic back. Good music choices.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've enjoyed that.
Just trying to make a mixture of things the kids like and things we like.
Yeah. Well, I guess.
I'm waiting to see if Harry's telling me or not.
Yep, that'd be fine.
Because all I have to do is pause the Spotify and turn the video on. Really, I probably shut that tab. That might be easier. No, never mind. So I want to turn it on later. Yeah, it's full. It is full. Am I helping you with that? Yes. Okay.
Welcome you to National Technical Learning and Signing Day. Today, you're taking a step forward. Career and technical education hold a world of possibilities for your future career.
We want to wish you the best of luck and pass along the congratulations on the choices you're making today and the future successes you're going to achieve.
That success starts today as you embark on this exciting new journey in CEE.
Congratulations, being this year's National Signing Day for Career and Technical Education.
Welcome to National Signing Day and to your very bright future.
I want to congratulate you on making this important decision.
I want to thank all the participating colleges for joining us on this very, very special day, recognizing students from all across this United States of the value and nobleness of technical education.
This was an idea about how to engage directly with young people and bring them into great career fields.
And this event celebrates and recognizes the critical importance of career and technical education.
Today you're signing with a school that's going to prepare you for the quickly changing world of work.
This commitment to become the next generation of skilled professionals places you on the forefront of innovation.
The certificate or degree and the certifications you earn will be the proof your future employer needs when you'll get the job done.
You'll not only be ready for the first job, but on a journey for a very successful career.
So your interest in education not only helps you and your family,
But it's also important to your community and to the nation as a whole.
Today, we celebrate your commitment to become part of that great American legacy.
Congratulations to the schools, instructors, and family members who support help make this momentous day possible. We are here as industry partners to cheer you on.
Thank you for participating in this important day.
We are very proud of you and are very glad you're joining us.
I'm delighted today to join NC3, congratulating students who are signing today for challenge and opportunity tomorrow.
Hope has a face. Today that hope begins. Congratulations to all of you. What a great day this is.
This country of ours was built by the hearts, the minds, and the strength of its people. It was not by chance that we got here. It was because people dared to set their sights and achieve. NC3 celebrates you. You are the dreamers of today, the doers of tomorrow. Your signature on this National Signing Day sets your sights on success, and we are here beside you. Together we will build, grow, and improve. There are thousands of you today across the country declaring your intent to achieve. Career and technical ed, key to your bright future. That's why your instructors, your school, and NC3 are here for you. That's why our industry partners are investing in you. We want you to certify that you've got what it takes to succeed, and we know you do. We want the world to know what you are capable of. You sign today to formally continue your journey, a journey to the career that we know you deserve. You will transfer smarter than we have ever been. You will keep us safe and comfortable in buildings, stronger and brighter than they have ever been. You will use the tools and technology of today to build the tools and technology of tomorrow. You will feed us, keep us healthy, and light the way. Your creativity and ideas will enable invention, conservation, and endless possibilities for all of us. NC3 and our industry partners are proud of you. We celebrate you. So, sign your name and join us. We need you now more than ever. Congratulations and welcome.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hope you can hear me okay. There we go. It is indeed an honor to welcome all of you to the second annual NC3 National Letter of Intent Signing Day. My name is Josh Floyd. I'm the coordinator of dual enrollment, and I'm very humbled to be today's Master of Ceremonies for this wonderful event. We are delighted to have you here in attendance at Wytheville Community College this morning. And now, to begin our program, I would like to welcome to the podium the president of Wytheville Community College, Dr. Dean Sprinkle.
Thank you, Josh. I want to be very clear that this is about you, the students who are here, but I am going to take just a moment of privilege. I want us to recognize just a handful of other folks. Do we have any parents here supporting students today? Would you stand up for a minute and let's give those folks a round of applause. How about our K-12 partners, superintendents, teachers, counselors, anybody that's with K-12? Please stand up and let us recognize you. Business and industry folks. Anybody here? They're out there, okay. They're scared. They're standing outside. Our WCC folks, if you will, just raise your hand. A lot of you are already standing up, but just raise your hand if you will, so folks will know who you are. And let's give them a round of applause. As Mr. Floyd said, it is really a privilege to have you on our campus today and to welcome you here today to the National Coalition of Certification Centers Signing Day. This is our second one. We're so excited. We thought it was fabulous last year. It's bigger this year. We're really glad to have all of you here. For those of you who are going to be participating in the signing today, I hope you can understand what a significant milestone this is in your journey toward a promising future. By signing your letters today, by signing your letters of intent, you're taking a very crucial step toward securing not only a solid career, but also a stable financial future for yourself and your family. Your commitment to your education demonstrates your dedication to excellence and readiness to embark on a path filled with opportunities. As you enter this new chapter, remember that your hard work and dedication will be what paves the way for your success. And we'll be right there with you, helping prepare you for those next steps. Congratulations again on this achievement, and may your journey be filled with growth, learning, and fulfillment. So I congratulate all of you, and at this time I would welcome to the podium here Perry Hughes, who is our Vice President of Workforce and Occupational Programs. So Perry, it's all yours.
Well, good morning. Can you feel the energy in the air? Such a great feeling to walk in here. It's amazing to see this event come together. I kind of feel like I've walked into a WWE event, and I keep looking for Ric Flair to come around and go, woo! Or even Vince McMahon come in and just throw a temper tantrum down front here. But we are so delighted to have you on our campus and part of the program today. And speaking of today, today is a dream come true. We started planning this event pre-COVID, and many of you know how things went in March of that year. So we delayed the event. We held our first one last year and had a success. But today we've almost doubled the number of signees who will be participating in the event today and signing letters of intent to enter our career and technical education programs. These students will dedicate themselves to high-wage, high-demand careers and the training that's involved to reach those careers. I would definitely be in trouble if I didn't thank a group of individuals today. Our signing day planning committee, which consisted of Roland Hall, Jessica Phillips, Lisa Lowe, Ronnie Sharp, Deanna Bradbury, and Ashby Taylor Perkins. They're around here somewhere in black shirts, and you know, they definitely deserve a round of applause. It has been a lot of work to get this together. Signees, you know, you're the future. You're the future of our country. The last major group of individuals to enter into these careers in large numbers were the baby boomer population. That group of individuals are retiring and aging out of the workforce. Our knowledge is walking out the door. Thankfully, you've chosen to enter into skilled trades careers that are the backbone of our country. Dr. Sprinkles already recognized the parents, grandparents, and others present, but we want to say thank you for supporting and encouraging your child to pursue these careers. There are several career and technical directors from our public schools in the audience today, and they, like myself, will agree that over the past years, getting the parent support is what's been the obstacle to get students to enroll in these type of programs. So thank you for supporting that student to pursue a career in career and technical education. Many of us came to this campus today on one of the two interstates that run through the area here. We saw smooth asphalt or concrete. We really never thought about or looked at the hard work and dedication that it took to lay the foundation to make those roads smooth and sound. Today, signees, you begin the process to lay your foundation for a smooth and sound future. You will hit some bumps in the road, and it may take years to obtain the skills and knowledge necessary to become a master at what you do. WCC will do our best to make sure that you have what is needed to enter the workforce with the basic knowledge for success. Education will help get you the job, but the skills that you're going to acquire during your lifetime will help you keep that job and move forward in that job. Best of luck to each and every one of you, and thank you for being here.
Before we get started, I want to go over a few logistical items. Photographs will be taken today and mailed to students along with their letter of intent. Parents and or guardians, along with all proud family members, are welcome to take photographs across the hallway to your right, my left, after all programs are announced and after the ceremony is complete. And now, the reason why we all are here. This is the exciting part. It is time to commit to your future. Students and your instructor, when your program is called, please make your way and line up to the stage. When students are done with photographs, they will return to the auditorium. We will call 6 students at a time per program. Our first program, Automotive Technology, Mr. John Smith, instructor. As we embark upon exciting and fun summer destinations, however near or far, We think more about the destination rather than the means to get there. We don't think about those means until those means leave us stranded on the roadside, perhaps with a few illuminated lights on the respective dashboard and a search for a signal on our phone to reach towing and assistance. Without question, automotive service technicians are truly crucial to our daily lives because, let's face it, without our workable four-wheeled contraptions, we would truly be stuck in neutral. The Automotive Service Technology course at Whitfield Community College is a one-year course that would allow the student to prepare for a successful career in the automotive service industry. Using interactive classroom learning and practical lab experience, students will gain the necessary skills to perform as an entry-level automotive technician. Students in the automotive program will have the opportunity to obtain 10 entry-level certifications through the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, better known as ASE. These certifications are designed to show that the technician has achieved the level of competence to begin working in the automotive industry. Students will also have the opportunity to earn up to 13 separate automotive certifications through the National Coalition of Certification Centers, also known as NC3. These certifications prepare students to operate the special equipment needed for diagnosing and repairing vehicles in the automotive service industry. Graduates of this program will be equipped with the automotive knowledge and skills to be successful as they enter the automotive repair field. Our first 6 students, first from Marion Senior High School, Kyle Mabe. Also from Marion Senior High School, Ethan Campbell. From Fort Chiswell High School, Lane Hollingsworth. From Marion Senior High School, Austin Klein. Also from Marion Senior High School, John Alexander. And from Marion Senior High School, Caden Brown. Students, please take out your letter of intent from your folder. Sign your letter now. And once you are done signing, please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Whitfield Community College. Students, before departing, please leave your signed letter of intent at the table. And take your hats, yes. Also from Automotive Technology, from Marion Senior High School, Jacob Buys. From Rural Retreat High School, Gregory Seth Stover. And also from Rural Retreat High School, Holden Rosenbaum. Students, please take out your letter of intent from your folder. Please sign your letter. And once you are done signing, put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. Do we have students from the industrial maintenance program here? Great, wonderful. Industrial maintenance with Mr. Neil King, instructor. The word maintenance doesn't sound like a flashy term. However, maintenance, especially in today's world, is just as crucial as ever. In fact, industrial maintenance technicians possess of wealth, call it a hodgepodge if you will, of knowledge that would span at least 30 chapters of collective text. It's not out of the question that an industrial maintenance technician can diagnose numerous factors relating to efficiency and productivity just 30 minutes into a respective shift. And that 30 minutes alone is critical to the lifeblood and the success of any well-oiled business, let alone the immense cost savings. As operating systems become more specialized, computerized, and complex, the need for highly trained individuals in the workforce is increasing exponentially. The Industrial Maintenance Certificate Program at WCC is designed to meet the sophisticated maintenance needs of businesses, institutions, and industries. This non-credit semester-long program specializes in providing a broad range approach, allowing all students to have the opportunity to obtain numerous NC3 certifications in hydraulics, pneumatics, mechanical, electrical, robotics, sensors, PLC, and additive manufacturing. The Industrial Maintenance Certificate Program provides entry-level skills for these emerging industry challenges, as well as offering significant retraining skills for individuals who have technical backgrounds but want to pursue additional skills for employment opportunities. From Grayson County High School, Logan Hicks. Once seated, please take out your letter of intent. Go ahead and sign your letter. And once signed, please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. Would the students for the Off-Road Diesel Mechanics program please stand and line up? Mr. Roland Hall, Dean of Workforce and Occupational Programs. When we think of off-roading, we think about how our sturdy vehicle will navigate such surfaces as gravel, mud, snow, sand, or other non-asphalt footing. But that's not what we're referencing here. In fact, this is a unique kind of off-road definition. The Off-Road Diesel Mechanics program is a non-credit one-year program designed to provide students with the necessary skills and knowledge to obtain employment in farm and heavy equipment service areas, highlighting Kubota machinery. Students have the opportunity to obtain 8 NC3 certifications at program completion, demonstrating proficiency in maintenance, pre-delivery inspection and assembly, hydraulics, engines, electricity and electronics, transmissions, brakes, steering, and suspension. Graduates of this program will be equipped with the skills and certifications needed to excel in the field of equipment service, repair, and technology. From Fort Chiswell High School, Brady Kelly. And from Carroll County High School, Mason Crowder. Students, once seated, if you'll take out your letter of intent. If you will sign your letter. And upon completion, please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. Would the students for the Power Line Worker Program please rise? Mr. Mike Morrison, instructor. It's Friday evening, and you've got a plan after dinner with the family. You're going to fix some popcorn, sit down, and watch the animated movie Migration. After all, you promised everyone you would. And then a flash in the window, followed by a crack of thunder, which causes immediate house shaking. And then total darkness. Your power, your movie, your clocks, even your chargers attached to your phone kaput. And they're not going to function. But for how long? And who knows? But as you gather some candles, books, and perhaps a board game, a short while later, amazingly, the electricity is back. We are so fortunate to have dedicated power line workers in situations like this one, and also in daily situations which continue to keep our lights on and continuous. The 13-week power line worker program at Wytheville Community College is fast-paced and physically demanding. The curriculum and the students' performance of trade skills in the pole yard provide them with the knowledge to have successful careers in the industry as part of this very popular non-credit program. Students can obtain up to 12 NC3 certifications upon completing the program. In addition, students are trained in VDOT BWZT, OSHA 10, NCCER fundamentals, and Powerline Worker 1 and 2. Students also obtain their Class A CDL license. From Fort Chiswell High School, Ian Goins. From Carroll County High School, Hunter Milloway. From Bland County High School, Elijah Clemens. Also from Carroll County High School, Ian Mullins. From Carroll County High School, Cashel Bowen. And from Carroll County High School, Jacob Osborne. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent from your folder. once you have done so, if you'll please sign your letter. And upon doing so, if you'll put on your hat, congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. And as you depart, if you'll please leave your letter of intent on the table as well. Thank you. Also for the Powerline Worker Program from Grayson County High School, Dylan Sexton. From Fort Chiswell High School, Tyler Norris. And from Marion Senior High School, McKinley Ham. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent from your folder. And when ready, please go ahead and sign. And upon completion, please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. And students, before departing, if you'll please leave your letter of intent on the table. Thank you. Our next program, students, if you will please stand for the welding program. Instructor is Eric Fulcher. Welding truly makes the world go round, but sometimes as an arc, or as an overhead, or a groove, or even submerged. And why would it not? After all, do we not remember the Bronze Age, or perhaps the Iron Age, the art of blacksmithing? Truly, the importance of welding is a critical part of our nation's growth and our nation's continual advancements. Wytheville Community College offers welding as an Associate of Applied Science and Technical Studies and or as a non-credit short-term training program. The welding curriculum provides students with the necessary skills and knowledge for a successful career in the welding and fabricating industry. One of the notable features of this program is the opportunity to obtain 8 NC3 certifications in 4 different welding processes for basic and advanced welding. Additionally, students can obtain NC3 certifications in welding safety, cutting processes, blueprint reading, and fabrication. From Carroll County High School, Andres Garcia. From Carroll County High School, Nathan Tibbs. From Bland County High School, Jack Leewright. From Marion Senior High School, Caleb Richardson. From George Wythe High School, Thomas Pulliam. And from Carroll County High School, Jacob Buckley. Students, once seated, if you'll please take out your letter of intent. Go ahead and sign your letter. And after doing so, please put on your hat. And congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. Students, before departing, if you'll please leave your letter of intent on the table. Thank you. From Carroll County High School, Nicholas Whitaker. From Marion Senior High School, Caleb Brewster. From Galax High School, Alberto Rojas Vera. From Galax High School, Miguel Espinoza Jr. And from Galax High School, Axel Elox Mazariegos. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent from your folder. If you'll go ahead and sign your letter. And upon doing so, if you'll please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. Students, upon departing, please leave your letters of intent on your table. Thank you. From Grayson County High School, London Sherlinsky. And from Fort Chiswell High School, Ryan Spurlock. students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent. And please sign your letter of intent. And after doing so, if you'll please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. And students, as you depart, if you'll please leave your letter of intent. Thank you. And now, please welcome to the podium our machine technology instructor, Mr. Jonathan Ferguson. Mr. Ferguson started his educational journey by earning his Associate of Applied Science degree in 2014 from the Machine Technology program right here at WCC, before earning a Bachelor of Science degree from Bluefield College in 2019. Without further ado, Mr. Ferguson.
Hello, everyone. I am not a public speaker. This is a big crowd compared to what I'm used to in the classroom, so work with me. I'm going to do the best I can. So I'm up here today. I'm going to tell you my story. Like Mr. Floyd said, I started out right here at Wytheville Community College close to 10 years ago. So I'm going to start from the beginning. I'm a local. I went to George Wythe High School, graduated in 2012. I was not the best of students, you know. I was one of those students, I did not want to be in school. Nothing about that. I said, when I get out of this, there's no way I'm ever going back to school. I'm done. I'm leaving. I'm never going back. I have a stepmother that disagreed with me on that. So she forced me into something. I went to another college in the state. 2-3 weeks of that did not work out. Dropped out. I had verified to myself that I wasn't meant for college. I already had that worry going into it, and I just verified it to myself. So I had a hard conversation with parents. I was going to have to move out if I wasn't going to college. So I was like, all right, well, I'll give it another try because I don't have a job. I don't have skills. I got to do something. So I had a couple buddies taking a program here at Wytheville Community College. I didn't know what it was. It's machining. I don't know what that is, but I'll take it if my dad don't kick me out of the house. It works. Took it, and luckily from day one it clicked. I mean, just it clicked. I had a outstanding instructor. He really worked with me from day one. So I took the 2-year program. I had a couple jobs going through, you know, made some money. I had zero confidence in school. I wasn't convinced I could do it out of high school. You know, that was my big driving thing looking back. I think that in my mind I couldn't do it. It wasn't that I didn't want to do it. It was I couldn't do it. I'm not good enough for it. My confidence was built at Wytheville Community College. The instructors built my confidence. When I come out of here, I had the same mentality again. I was like, this is awesome. I got an associate's degree. I'm done. It's starting all over. I was like, I'm not doing this no more. An opportunity come available at another community college in the state, Danville Community College for advanced programming. That time, my instructor pushed me really hard to go into that program. I took that program. Graduated top of the class, and I received a job at Rolls-Royce Aerospace in Petersburg, Virginia. I worked there for about 8 months. We built aircraft engines. Amazing job. Didn't care for the area a whole lot, but as far as my job went, I loved it. I loved what I did, and I loved being able to see the engines created and see them tested before they go into flight. So about 8 months into that, a gentleman called me to inform me that this job had come available at Wytheville Community College for the position of machine technology. So I applied for it, went through that process, and I got really lucky and got the job to be able to come back home. Like I said, I am from Wytheville, so I got to come home to my family and got to come back here. I've been here for 8 years now. I've loved every second of it. This college has done so much for so many students. I get to see my students come out all the time. They get amazing jobs. all over the country. A lot of them stay local, and we send some all over the place. So it's a great opportunity for all students. It has changed my life. Like I said, if I hadn't come here, it's hard to tell where I would have ended up, what I'd be doing. It really changed the path I was on for the better, and it's done great things. I do have one story for you other than my story. I'm going to steal this story from another gentleman that comes and talks to my students. It's a very interesting story. So we send students to a place that makes nuclear reactors for our aircraft carriers in the Navy. He comes and recruits students for machining jobs. And what he always tells my students is that they're making a great choice. By coming through a 2-year machining program, they're coming out with little to no debt. And what he always tells them is he compares them to some of the people that come into their facility with 4 to 6 years of student loan debt. He says, they come in here and they make $60,000+ a year right out of the gate with no student debt. And then these people that come in here with a bachelor's degree or master's degree, if they end up with $200,000 in debt, not only has that machining student started 2 to 4 years earlier, so they've already made hundreds of thousands of dollars in their lifetime, they're not behind the ball with student debt either. And he tells my students, if you look at it that way, it's going to take 20 to 25 years for that person with all that student loan to catch you. It's a good opportunity. It's a great opportunity financially to get out there and make some money and not come out with a load of student debt. So, and he's really adamant to tell our students that and to make sure they understand that. But that's all I got. And again, with community college has really helped me and changed my life for the better. And I'm sure it'll do the same for all of you. All the instructors here are amazingly helpful. From the instructors you'll have every day, you'll see your lead instructor for your program all the time. But even to the math and the other professors, English, they're all great instructors. They'll do anything in the world to help you. Everybody wants to see you succeed and do well. So the best of luck to all of you, and I hope you have a great experience here at WCC. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that message, Jonathan. Very well done. Our next group of students, if you will please stand and line up. We have 4 construction technology programs. The first is carpentry. Danny Choate, instructor. As we walk inside buildings, whether we're at work, at school, or even in our own home, we don't think about the walls which support us, the roof over our heads which keeps out precipitation, the fierce wind, the birds, or even the floors we walk upon that also support our weight. An experienced carpenter makes for a sound foundation, if you will, and one that provides safety and security against a rather formidable and unforgiving weather world. The technical studies degree in carpentry has shifted to more green buildings in the industry. The carpentry students will earn 1 certification while pursuing their degree in the carpentry field. Graduates in this program will be the future of the carpentry field, as they will one day walk across our graduation stage to earn a highly sought-after Associate of Applied Science associate degree, along with numerous career studies certificates. From George Wythe High School, Earl Mullins. From Galax High School, Francisco Carranza Alderat. From Carroll County High School, Mason Ladd. From Grayson County High School, Aiden Schuler. And from Fort Chiswell High School, Aiden Grossclose. Students, if you'll go ahead and take out your letter of intent and please sign. And upon doing so, please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. And students, as you depart, please leave your letter of intent on the table. Thank you. Would the students for the plumbing program please rise and line up? Plumbing, also Danny Choate, instructor. We don't give pipes a thought in our daily lives, especially in our houses. Whether we're washing dishes, running a load of laundry in the washer, taking a shower, or even brushing our teeth, we count on our pipes to carry water in all directions 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. And then one morning you look below your kitchen sink and discover a puddle of water that shouldn't be there. Or you may look up at the ceiling below your bathroom and notice a unique spot that hasn't been there in the past. At that point, you continually realize just how vital plumbers are to our daily livelihood. WCC's AAS Technical Studies degree in plumbing offers students the opportunity to get into a field that needs technicians more than any other trade. The students will earn 2 NC3 certifications using rigid tools to propel them to the forefront in their field. Graduates will be in high demand for employment with the certifications they will earn in this 2-year program. From George Wythe High School, Brock Smelzer. And from George Wythe High School, Tyler Horton. Students, please take out your letter of intent and please sign. And upon doing so, please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. Before we get into our next group of students, if you have already been through the line, if you've already been through the line to get your picture and you did not get a Wytheville bag, please make sure you come back and get one before the end of the day. Just wanted to make sure on that. Our next program, students, if you'll please stand and line up for HVAC. Also with Danny Choate, instructor. It's the middle of July and you've just finished cutting the grass. It's hot and humid, a traditional summer day in Southwest Virginia. And one thing is for sure, you're thirsty. But when you walk into your home to open the refrigerator, you notice that the temperature doesn't change at all after walking through that door. Furthermore, it's even hotter inside than outside. And that's when you notice the lack of air jetting out from the vent inside the kitchen. Uh-oh. But not to fret. We have trusted HVAC professionals on the way to kick the summer out of the house and return it to a calming 72 degrees. Or in the Floyd household, it's 74, and the father told me not to touch the thermostat, whatever that may be. The heating, ventilation, and air conditioning program at WCC provides students with the necessary skills to become an entry-level technician in the HVAC field. Students have the opportunity to obtain their EPA 608 refrigerant handling and transition certification and 4 NC3 trained residential HVAC systems certifications in air-to-air heat pumps, residential airflow, refrigeration diagnostics, and variable speed motors. With a shortage of qualified HVAC technicians, the need for training personnel in the heating and cooling industry is at an all-time high. The Heating, Ventilation, and Air Conditioning Technology program will provide students with the comprehensive training necessary to pursue a rewarding career in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning field, not to mention an Associate of Applied Science degree. From George Wythe High School, Marshall Armstrong. From George Wythe High School, Caleb Campbell. From Fort Chiswell High School, Luke Hillenberg. From George Wythe High School, Austin Repass. From Carroll County High School, Landon Cox. And from Carroll County High School, Sean Slusher. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent from your folder and please sign. If you'll please put on your hat upon completion. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. The students, as you depart, please leave your letter of intent on the table. Thank you. From Carroll County High School, Levi Grimes. From Fort Chiswell High School, Carter Purdue. From Fort Chiswell High School, Zach Morris. From Grayson County High School, William Colby Hash. And from Grayson County High School, Colby Hawks. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent and sign. And upon doing so, if you'll please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. And students, as you depart, please leave your letter of intent on the table. Thank you. Would students from the electrical program please rise and line up? Also, Danny Choate, instructor. That buzzing coming from your wall? No, I'm afraid it's not a new nest of hornets, but rather from faulty wiring. And yes, while you know which breaker to flip off to stop power, one may stare into the switch box. Is it the black wire? What about the white wire? How should I know whether or not it's grounded? Thankfully, a qualified and certified electrician can answer all of those questions, thus avoiding further issues, negating nervous questions, and preventing a nasty shock. The electrical program is an in-depth study of residential electrical wiring. Students have the opportunity to earn 7 NC3 certifications using Greenlee tools and Snap-on meters, which gives them the opportunity to use tools not commonly found in smaller companies. Graduates in this field will be ready to meet the needs of the future of any company for which they apply after completion of the college's Technical Studies Associate of Applied Science degree. From Fort Chiswell High School, Ethan Lefew. From George Wythe High School, Nicholas Quisenberry. From Fort Chiswell High School, Michael Melton. From George Wythe High School, Reese Vaught. From George Wythe High School, Austin Sayers. And from Grayson County High School, James Taylor. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent from your folder. And upon doing so, if you'll please sign. And after doing so, please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. Before departing, students, please leave your letter of intent on the table. Thank you. From Galax High School, Cristian Rodriguez Martinez. From Grayson County High School, Cole Lorenz. From Grayson County High School, Bryant Moritz. And from Grayson County High School, Noah Bird. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent and please sign. And upon completion, if you'll please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. And students, before departing, if you'll please leave your letter of intent on the table. Thank you. Students, please rise for the machine technology program and line up. Mr. Jonathan Ferguson, instructor. Machinists are quite the unique artists, even though we aren't talking about painting or easels. Not only do machinists feature attention to detail and the ability to work with a variety of complex apparatuses, they also do it with a style all their own. Interestingly enough, I found a unique quote about machinists. Machinists can make anything possible except for time travel, at least for now. The Machine Technology Associate of Applied Science program is a comprehensive curriculum that provides students with the necessary skills and knowledge for a successful career in the manufacturing industry. One of the notable features of this program is the opportunity to obtain 13 NC3 measuring instruments certifications, which demonstrates the proficiency of students in using various measuring instruments commonly used in the manufacturing field. Additionally, the program offers comprehensive training in the manual, CNC machining, CAD/CAM, and robotics, providing students with a well-rounded education in modern manufacturing technologies. Graduates of this program are equipped with the skills and certifications needed to excel in the ever-evolving field of machine technology. From Grayson County High School, Bobby Boyer. From Grayson County High School, Logan Greer. From George Wythe High School, Michaela Umberger. From George Wythe High School, Joshua Krieger. From George Wythe High School, Brian Howard Butler. And from George Wythe High School, Thomas Comber. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent. And once doing so, if you'll please sign. And upon doing so, if you'll please put on your hat, congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. Students, upon departing, if you'll please leave your letter of intent. Thank you. From Fort Chiswell High School, Logan Blair. From Carroll County High School, Isaac Shoemate. From Carroll County High School, Jack Meredith. From Carroll County High School, Rodney Blaine Ayers. And from Fort Chiswell High School, Timothy Arnold. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent. upon doing so, if you'll please sign. And after doing so, please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. And students, as you depart, please leave your letter of intent. Thank you. Would students from the Criminal Justice Program please rise and line up? Criminal Justice, Mr. Jim Harrington, Instructor. In the Criminal Justice and Correctional Science Associate of Applied Science programs at Wytheville Community College, the people are represented by two separate yet equally important groups: the hardworking faculty instilling knowledge, hands-on guidance, leadership skills, and best practices, and the hardworking students who are eager to learn and serve the public and our community for the greater good. These are indeed their stories. The Criminal Justice Program at WCC prepares students to enter the workforce at either the local, state, and/or federal level as certified law enforcement or corrections officers, along with a wide variety of security positions featuring commercial, industrial, and private, and even employment within the game warden industry. Students may also continue into transfer options within four-year colleges and universities upon graduation, or they may finish training within an academy track if they so desire, to protect and to serve and to educate. For the first time this fall, students in our criminal justice programs will receive NC3 certifications in precision measurement as part of crime scene investigations in ADJ 171 and ADJ 236. From Fort Chiswell High School, Ethan Sheffy. From Blaine County High School, Brooke Taylor. From Carroll County High School, Preston Blevins. From George Wythe High School, Madison Smith. From George Wythe High School, Dakota Allen. And from George Wythe High School, John Chrisley. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent. And upon doing so, if you will please sign. And after doing so, if you will please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. Students, as you depart, please leave your letter of intent on the table. Thank you. From Grayson County High School, James Aaron Bobbitt. From Carroll County High School, Isabella Coles. From Carroll County High School, Robert Lineberry. From Carroll County High School, Blake Love. And from Carroll County High School, Trenton Schaefer. Students, if you'll please take out your letter of intent from your folder. And upon doing so, if you'll please sign. After doing so, if you'll please put on your hat. Congratulations and welcome to Wytheville Community College. And students, as you depart, please leave your letter of intent. Thank you. Before we have closing remarks, how about another round of applause for all these students, right? And now I'd like to welcome to the podium the Dean of Workforce Development and Occupational Programs, Mr. Roland Hall, who will deliver closing remarks and will talk about our scholarship drawing.
Wow, what a privilege it is to be here and be a part of this. Thank you, everyone, for showing up. Students, thank y'all for signing. We appreciate it. We look forward to seeing you in the fall, the summer, whenever your respective classes start. We're so excited to have you as a part of Wytheville Community College and a part of our family now. Thank you so much. Students, thank you, parents and your administrators, for bringing you today, allowing you to come, allowing you time out of school, because that's important. Education is a wonderful thing and very important you be there. You got to be there to be a part of it and receive the knowledge and education your teachers can impart upon you. And thank your career coaches. My career coaches, where are they? Are they out here? Can you step in here? There's some around. Whoever's here, step in. And Ryan's over. Thank you. If you go by and thank your career coaches. Give them a round of applause. I just have some general announcements. We do need to wait just a few minutes for the pictures to finish up because we do have a special drawing, but I'll make some announcements now so we'll be ahead of the game because we are about lunchtime, and I know everybody's eager for that. Students, if you signed and you come through and you do not receive one of these when you had your picture made, please step over here in just a few moments once we dismiss and get you a bag. We got a lot of nice stuff in this bag, a lot of goodie things that you might be happy to take home with you. Make sure you step over and get one of those. Sorry we missed you in the beginning. Now, let's talk about lunch just a minute. So we do have Chick-fil-A out in the lobby. Whenever we go through, you have your choice. You have a box lunch or a salad. And we'll have one or the other and drinks to go with it. Once you get that meal, we'll step out the front door, turn to your right, go up a set of steps, and we'll have lunch up here at the picnic tables with the umbrellas. So guests, we got lunch. Stay and eat with us. We definitely want you to join us. Students and parents, whenever you have a chance, whenever you go out and get your food, we've got vendors set up. I know things were hectic when you come in. You didn't have a chance to see the vendors. Go by and talk to those vendors. Those folks took time out of their day to come by and set up, and they have some giveaway things. They have some information for you. you might see some things that you'd be interested in even applying to those guys, because they will be employers coming around looking to hire from our programs. So go by and talk to them and see who you can see, who you know, and just speak to them and get to know those folks, because they, like I say, they're going to be a part of your future down the road. And take advantage of them. They're here now. They took time out of their day. Take advantage. Go by and talk to them. Okay? Good. Covered. We're going, you want to just do the drawing and announce later? Okay. See how close. We'll see how close we are in having the names ready. And I'm going to let Dr. Rhonda Catherine Wood come up and talk to you just a moment about the foundation, whatever she'd like to say. And she's actually responsible for the $500 scholarship she's going to give away. So we definitely appreciate that. Give her applause.
Well, good morning and thank you all. Congratulations to all of you who have chosen Withfield Community College. I'll echo what Mr. Ferguson said. It's a great college to help you on your path to your future. We are very honored that WCC regularly ranks as one of the top 20 most affordable community colleges in the United States. This past year, we ranked as 16th. And so while a lot of you are really excited that you've signed that piece of paper, your parents may be sitting there going, now, how are we going to pay for this? And so we're very happy to be able to tell you we are one of a few community colleges in Virginia that can say all high school graduates have an opportunity for free tuition for up to 2 years. So if you haven't applied for scholarships, you definitely need to do that. Work with your career coach or come over to the foundation office, and we're happy to help you with that. But even if for some reason you don't qualify for one of those that we call promise programs, we have lots of other scholarships. The Virginia Tobacco Commission, we're fortunate to get some money from them, and we have lots of private individuals and companies that give us money. So even if you get your tuition paid, sometimes those other scholarships will help you pay for books or other educational expenses. We don't all live right here in Withfield. I live in Grayson County, and so just the cost of driving to and from WCC sometimes, or even to Crossroads, can be an expense. So please don't let the fear of being able to pay for college stand in your way. We do everything that we can to help you find a way to pay for college. There are lots of federal programs. Be sure you apply for those, state. And don't worry, you may hear all kinds of terms like, well, what about the name of this scholarship or G3 or Fast Forward? They're all great programs. It's our job to help you connect to those. So the key is just be sure that you apply. But this has been a wonderful day. We are so excited because we need more and more graduates in career and technical education. So the WCC Educational Foundation did provide a $500 scholarship. So I think once we have the names, why don't we get Josh, since he was our MC. You want to come up and draw? So, lucky winner. Okay. Mason Crowder from Carroll County High School in the off-road diesel. So if you'll come on, okay. Congratulations.
Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you so much for that. Okay, that concludes our ceremony for today, and once again, thank you so much for being here and being a part of our family. We'll go out this door to the lunch.
All right, I gotta hit the road.
Thank you. Thank you. Half. The other half of the technical part was not so hard. I wrote the lead. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sir? Good to talk to you. I know. It's good seeing you. Yeah. Pretty good. This thing's going for you. I was gonna say, I've probably seen one or way more. And you work here.
Well, that's what I do. I'm to a lot of people. I heard you was on the committee the other day.
Well, it was very, very pleased that she interviewed. Very pleased.
Pretty good. She was terrified. I have never walked out of one and thought, I
had an interview yesterday over Zoom. I thought it was awful. I mean, it's just we are our worst critics. I know you're staying busy. Are you getting ready to do some training and travel?
I hope no travel.
Yeah.
I hope no travel. He's got me training a lot.
Yeah. Well, it's part of the program.
The last 2 years I have traveled more than I have my career.
Y'all go up to y'all go to Wisconsin, right? I remember Wisconsin.
That's usually in the summer. I'll probably go to it.
Okay.
I've been to Arizona 3 times. Well, it's usually in the winter, actually, so it's usually in January when we go to Arizona.
Okay. Turn that off.
We come back to finish that Thursday night. So it's all for Saturday or Friday. Negative 4. Not to individual. To be slow or not.
That's
6 degrees, and then by the time we pulled in, whatever it was, community was like that.
I want to like fly in the train.
We were rare for we didn't think.
I'd like to fly.
Because I was pretty much floating.
I haven't been able to